Number 1. 1956 Porsche 356 Speedster Replica, a timeless classic. A true attention grabber, this 1956 Porsche 356 Speedster Replica is an exceptional build by JPS Classics, California, completed in 2018. Powered by a 2,110 cubic centimeters engine, this masterpiece delivers an exhilarating drive while maintaining classic aesthetics. With only 948 miles on the odometer, it remains in very good condition. Dressed in a stunning Meissen blue exterior and a tan interior, this Speedster boasts a 4-speed manual transmission, chrome hubcaps, and Porsche and Speedster emblems that enhance its vintage appeal. Equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes, 2-in-1 exhaust, and a brand new AGM battery, this beauty runs and sounds phenomenal. Though it has a couple of minor scratches, it holds a clean title and is priced at $42,500. Located in Holden, Missouri, this classic is a rare find from a personal collection. Serious inquiries only, more pictures available upon request. Number 2. 1960 Buick LeSabre Convertible, a true survivor. This 1960 Buick LeSabre Convertible is an extraordinary survivor, nearly 99% rust-free and owned by a single family. Originally repainted in the early 1980s, the finish is beginning to show its age, but the car remains mechanically sound and drives phenomenally. Under the hood, it houses the legendary Wildcat 364 engine paired with an automatic transmission, upgraded from points to Petronix ignition for improved reliability. Factory features such as power steering, power brakes, power windows, and a power seat all function flawlessly. The vehicle boasts a new top and seals from steel rubber, installed less than 2 months ago, and new Diamondback 3.75 radial wide whitewall tires, enhancing its stunning red exterior. Despite minor flaws, 3 cracked side windows and worn carpet on the driver's side, this LeSabre is a rock-solid classic with serious potential. Located in Independence, Missouri, the car is priced at $30,000 or best offer. Cash is preferred, though trades for pre-72 GM cars or pre-87 Chevy trucks will be considered. Serious inquiries only, more pictures and videos available upon request. A true icon of American automotive history. Number 3. 1937 Buick Coupe, a supercharged classic. This 1937 Buick 2-door coupe is a head-turning vintage ride with modern muscle under the hood. Powered by a 454 GM engine with a supercharger, this beast delivers thrilling performance, paired with a 350 automatic transmission and a slapshifter for precise control. Sporting a bold orange exterior and tan interior, this coupe seamlessly blends classic style with raw power. With 5,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in great running condition, offering a unique combination of vintage appeal and high-performance upgrades. Priced at $21,000, this classic is listed in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. A rare find for enthusiasts looking for a supercharged vintage coupe that stands out in any crowd. Serious inquiries only, this one won't last long. Number 4. 1964 Chevrolet Impala Supersport, a true classic. This 1964 Chevrolet Impala Supersport is an iconic American muscle car that exudes timeless style. Featuring a manual transmission, it offers an engaging driving experience, perfect for enthusiasts seeking the thrill of classic motoring. With a striking black exterior and silver interior, this Impala embodies elegance and power. Having covered 123,456 miles, it remains a true testament to Chevrolet's craftsmanship and durability. Listed at $22,000 in Cherokee, Kansas, this Supersport is a fantastic addition to any collection. A legendary ride with an undeniable presence, ready to turn heads wherever it goes. Serious inquiries only, this classic won't stay on the market for long. Number 5. 1970 Cord, a rare classic with timeless appeal. This 1970 Cord is a true collector's gem, powered by a 302 Ford engine, maintaining its original tires, and showing only 12,000 miles on the odometer. This exceptional vehicle, number 281 out of just 419 ever produced, stands as a rare and highly sought-after model. With a convertible top in good condition, this Cord is a striking blend of vintage elegance and reliable performance. Everything is in good working order, making it a fantastic choice for classic car enthusiasts. The driving experience is smooth, capturing the essence of a bygone automotive era with an unmistakable sense of nostalgia and prestige. Priced at $23,000, this beauty is listed in Savannah, Missouri. Whether cruising through town or showcased at events, it demands admiration. Serious inquiries only, this rare Cord is ready to find its next passionate owner. More pictures available upon request. Number 6. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, a classic muscle icon. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is a stunning representation of American muscle with impressive upgrades that enhance its performance and appeal. Originally a 289 automatic car, C-code, it now boasts a 351 Windsor stock engine paired with a C4 transmission and stock 8-inch rear end, delivering a solid driving experience. Equipped with an Aldon coilover kit up front and adjustable Aldon shocks in the rear, this Mustang handles remarkably well. Additional enhancements include a 1 1/8-inch front sway bar kit from CJ Pony Parts, a Scott Drake 1-inch lowering block in the rear, and a front disc brake kit with proportion valve and master cylinder. Finished in a striking red exterior with a black interior, this beauty features 17-inch American racing wheels with new tires, a new custom seat cover with fresh foam, new carpet, headliner, and seat belts, plus an electric fan and aluminum radiator for improved cooling. The 2.5-inch Flowmaster exhaust dumped before the axle ensures an aggressive rumble. While the Mustang has been well maintained, it does require a blinker switch installation, wipers wired in, and the carb rebuilt or replaced due to occasional hiccups from sitting. That said, it remains super clean, with original floors and quarters, and zero rust, a rarity among classics. Listed at $19,000 or best offer, this Mustang is located in Josephine, Texas, with a clean Texas title in hand. Cash is preferred. A true American legend. Don't miss out on this chance to own a piece of automotive history. Number 7. 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS, a rare all-original classic. This 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS is an exceptional find, maintaining its original factory condition with all matching numbers and a straight body. Powered by a 350 engine with an automatic transmission, this classic remains untouched and retains its authentic appeal. With a gold exterior and black interior, this Nova SS features factory air conditioning, bucket seats, and a center console, adding to its rarity and desirability. With 81,000 miles on the odometer, it stands as a testament to Chevrolet's iconic muscle car legacy. Priced at $25,000, this vehicle is paid off and is available at a dealership in Fort Worth, Texas. Whether you bring a trailer or drive it home, this Nova SS offers an opportunity to own a rare classic that is worth more than the asking price. Serious inquiries only, this is a piece of history waiting to be cherished. Number 8. 1959 mg A, a timeless British classic. This 1959 mg A, finished in Old English white with a red interior, is a beautifully restored piece of British automotive history. Featuring a 4-speed manual transmission, this roadster delivers an authentic driving experience, making it a perfect addition to any classic car enthusiast's collection. With 75,097 miles on the odometer, this MGA has been garage-kept since 1959, meticulously cared for by just 2 owners. Originally belonging to the seller's friend's father, it was fully restored in 2014 to honor its legacy. Though not flawless, it remains in very good condition, preserving its original charm while ensuring reliable performance. Listed at $16,999, this classic is located in Galena, Kansas and is paid off, making for a smooth transaction. Whether cruising on scenic roads or making a statement at car shows, this MGA is a true icon of elegance and timeless design. Serious inquiries only, this beauty is ready for its next passionate owner. Number 9. 1955 Chevrolet Classic, a timeless beauty. This 1955 Chevrolet 2-door post is a striking example of classic American automotive design, blending vintage elegance with modern convenience. Powered by a 327 motor paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, this Chevy delivers smooth and reliable performance. Dressed in a rich burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior, this beauty features air conditioning and power steering, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable ride. With 59,000 miles on the odometer, it remains in excellent condition with a clean title and no significant damage or issues. Listed at $40,000, this classic is available in Afton, Oklahoma. Whether cruising down scenic roads or making a statement at car shows, this Chevrolet is sure to turn heads. Serious inquiries only, call for more details on this incredible piece of automotive history.
Number 10.
1967 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, a fully restored classic. This 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D is a beautifully restored American muscle car, blending iconic styling with modern reliability. Equipped with a 289 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission, this Mustang offers smooth performance and effortless cruising. Sporting a rich burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior, it has been fully restored, featuring new paint, a refreshed interior, and a rebuilt engine and automatic transmission. With 80,271 miles on the odometer, it remains in excellent condition with a clean title and no significant damage or problems. Listed at $21,995, this classic is paid off and available at a dealership in Sedalia, Missouri. Whether you're a collector or looking for a stunning weekend cruiser, this Mustang is a fantastic investment in timeless automotive history. Serious inquiries only, more pictures available upon request.
Number 11.
1963 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, a classic with modern muscle. This 1963 Cadillac Sedan DeVille 4DR hardtop is a stunning blend of vintage luxury and modern performance. Originally showing 55,000 miles before its LS swap, it now houses a 5.3 LS Gen 4 iron block engine paired with a built 4L60 transmission, offering impressive power for a street cruiser. Featuring a mild cam, this Cadillac maintains its signature smooth ride while delivering a thrilling driving experience. It retains its original 390-400 transmission, which was running and driving when swapped. Additional upgrades include an AC conversion, heater core replacement needed, an aluminum radiator with electric fans, and various top-end dress-up components. Dressed in off-white exterior with a red interior, this classic still requires a few finishing touches but is 95% complete. It comes with a clean title and has had only 2 owners, ensuring a well-maintained history. Priced at $27,000, this beauty is listed in Princeton, Texas, with trade plus cash offers considered. A rare opportunity to own a timeless luxury sedan with modern power. Serious inquiries only, this Cadillac is ready to impress.
Number 12.
1957 Oldsmobile 88, a true classic cruiser. This 1957 Oldsmobile 88 is an iconic piece of American automotive history, offering vintage style with modern upgrades. Powered by a 350 motor and a 700R automatic transmission, this classic delivers a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Featuring power steering, PS, power brakes, PB, and air conditioning, AC, it ensures comfort while maintaining its nostalgic charm. Dressed in a beautiful blue exterior with a white interior, this Oldsmobile has 7,432 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title, making it a fantastic addition to any collection. While the paint has some scratches and chips, this car is all about having fun on the road. Listed at $26,500, it's available in Walnut, Kansas, with possible trade considerations. Serious inquiries only, this beauty is ready to be enjoyed.
Number 13.
1960 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, a true classic. This 1960 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible is an iconic piece of American automotive history, featuring its original drivetrain, including a 283 motor paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. With 54,000 miles on the odometer, it remains a beautifully preserved classic with timeless appeal. Finished in a sleek silver exterior with a black interior, this Corvette embodies elegance and performance. Having 3 or more previous owners, it has been well cared for and comes with a clean title and no significant damage or problems, a testament to its quality and lasting durability. Listed at $70,000, this classic is available in Sedalia, Missouri, and is being sold on behalf of the owner's in-laws. Serious buyers only, contact the seller for more details. An extraordinary opportunity to own a legendary Corvette in its original glory.